The terms mental health and stigma are entirely antiquated and need to be retired. Mental health is truly brain health or just health. Your brain is an organ just like every other organ in the body, and it too can become diseased. The brain is arguably the most important organ in the body, but when someone struggles from brain pain, mental health, issues, challenges, struggles, or diagnoses, people around them tend to invalidate that pain. People tell them to snap out of it, get over it, move on, or pull themselves up by their bootstraps. They tell them it's all in their head. You're damn right it's in my head. That's where my brain is. Because they cannot see it, it must not be real. The term stigma is quite antiquated, inadequate, and inaccurate. What happens daily around the world to millions struggling with brain pain and substance use battles of all kinds is purely and truthfully called discrimination. At the highest level, the brain health movement is one of the greatest civil rights movements of this or any time. The good news is that there are so many people working right now towards shifting this narrative, moving forward. It's time for change. Let's be here tomorrow. Let's be here now. I happen to be today and yesterday at the Zero Suicide Summit that my wife and I sponsored. The Zero Suicide Summit with the sole purpose and goal of reducing suicides globally to zero. It's a tall order. It's going to be very difficult to comprehend for a lot of people that we want to go for this goal. But what's better? One suicide, two suicides, 1 million suicides a year, or zero? You choose. That's someone's loved one, their family, their friend, their fiance, their boyfriend, their girlfriend, someone they care for, someone they deeply love unconditionally, someone they've just met but that they feel a connection to. Whoever it is to you that's died by suicide, it doesn't have to be this way. Suicide is never the solution to our problems. They are the problem. Suicidal ideations are the greatest liars we know. We don't have to listen to them. Suicide doesn't take the pain away. It transfers it on to everyone left behind and makes it wholly impossible for things to ever get better. In my attempt in my own life, I vividly remember the millisecond my hands left the rail, thinking, what have I just done? I don't want to die. God, please save me. And I called out to God, and he answered my prayers by sending me a sea lion to save my life, the sea lion that kept me afloat until the Coast Guard boat arrived behind me. I nicknamed him Herbert, partially because it's my favorite name besides Kevin, and also I was quite delusional. But nonetheless, the creature did save my life, and the Coast Guard arrived, and they secondarily saved my life. And the doctor at the hospital, Dr. Jonathan Levin and his team, tertiarily saved my life by saving my back and my ability to stand, walk, and run. I have been given such a beautiful gift of this second chance at life, and I couldn't be more grateful, honored, and appreciative of this last 23 years of a journey, mostly with my lovely wife, Margaret, sharing stories of hope, healing, and recovery from brain pain, letting people know from all around the world that their lives matter, that their lives have purpose, and that if they haven't found their purpose, they just haven't walked far enough to reach it. So whatever you're going through, friends, whatever you're dealing with, don't stop your life now because you're in pain in this moment. The pain doesn't have to be forever. Pain doesn't have to be always. Keep going. Keep pushing through. Keep fighting to be here tomorrow because you never know what tomorrow might bring. It might bring you the hope you so desire and the hope you so deserve. You are loved. You are valued. You are worthy, and you matter to me. And if nobody else says it today, I love you, and I want you to stay. And share this video with a friend in need who might just need to hear this message. See ya.